Hi, this is a Shopify store that I've been working on for the past 5 months for a particular client that I'm still working with. It is the Shopify 1.0 theme known as Venue. All right, so first I'm going to show you some of the main features that I implemented on this site, and then I'll go into the details of each of them. So one of the first projects I worked on was this product finder. So it automatically applies the discount at checkout. You can see that on the cart right here. And another one is this rewards program landing page. You can see the page loading animations and how it's implemented with the app. I'll go through the details of that after. Another thing is the landing page that I created for them. And this landing page gets linked to from their advertisements. This is the primer page. Go through the funnel. It's in the funnel design like a Russell Brunson ClickFunnels. That's a disclaimer page because they were getting a lot of unqualified traffic, and it goes through that same quiz, but instead of the discount at the end, it's a free sample form that you can fill out. I'm going to go back to, I can just hit this tab. That link leads to a new tab. So I did that as a shortcut. Right, I want to show you the product detail page, the product pages. This is the template that I created for each of their products. I created these accordion tabs right here, and then these links, which open up on a new tab. All of those. I added this section here, and then some more features down here. This is a Klaviyo review section. And now I want to show you the header. Actually, I'm going to show you the home page and how it compares to when I first started working for them. This is a copy of the theme before I started working for them. I'm just going to scroll down so you can see what it looked like beforehand. You can see this is really big and on the wrong side. The color, the margin there. Testimonials is at the bottom, and then a whole lot of products on the home page. And now let me show you the home page after I worked on it. And now I also want to show you mobile responsiveness. I'm going to take out my video. And I'll scroll down so you can see how aesthetic it still is for a mobile device. Okay, and I'll go through some other tablet responsive designs for other pages so you can hit all the points. All right, so I created this 2-tiered header with icons instead of words for the navigation, but still with the same behavior with the drop down, and then the cart, instead of the number in parentheses, it has the badge right there because we added that one at the end of the quiz. All right, now I'm going to go through each of those features and show you some of the details. So one cool detail I want to show you is how all of the things that I implement are no-code adjustable. So say you want to change the discount of this quiz, you can go to the Shopify backend, the Shopify customizer, and which is somewhat part of the backend. But I call it the customizer. So the Shopify customizer, you go to this section, and then you can change the discount in the copy here. Say you want it to be 25, you can see it changed there. And then that'll show after we save it. And then you can also change the discount code itself, but as it says here, you want to make sure that matches the discount that you add in the Shopify editor of the Shopify backend. Where am I at? The customizer. So I'm just going to undo those changes. Also, there's the intro page that you can change the copy of as well. And then you can see the hover animation here on the quiz itself. You can start it over. If we say you go through the quiz and you're at this page, but then you change your mind, you want to check out something else like the blog, you can go to the blog. And then if you go back to that product finder, it'll go to that final page that you had already landed on. You can see all this copy, and I'm going to show you mobile responsiveness. Now I'll go to tablet, iPad Air, and go through the quiz for that. You can see how each of these pages fade into the next one, and you can see how you can also hit the back button to go back. All right, through that platform, the Chrome developer tools, there's certain limitations. So that was just because we were in this platform. Okay, now I'm going to show you some of the details of this rewards program page. So when you click join now, unless we're already logged in, it's going to say join now here. Before I do that, I just want to show you the page load animations here and how each of these are no code adjustable. So we go to this other page, the rewards page. And then for each of these are customized sections that I customized to match what my client wanted it to look like. But you can still update it with your own picture, change the header. Each of these sections have blocks within them. So you can change each of these blocks, which match up with these, the image, the title, then the blurb underneath. You can include a hyperlinks, right, like that one, those two, I mean. And same with these, they all are blocks. Okay, as well as the FAQs. You can update those without the need of a coder. All right, going through this quick. So now when we hit join now, say you want to join. I'm not going to join so I don't mess up their data, but I'm going to use a test account. So I'm going to log in to the test account. Wait for that to log in, and I'll show you what I implemented on the account page. So this is the rewards points section that I implemented. And when you click on each of these buttons, it shows you how many points you have, how you can get points, and the referral program information, as well as the referral code. I'll show you from mobile. Let's go now to another phone. See, these buttons are good for your thumb. And this might not work through this developer tools, but yes, it does. Okay. Oops. All right, going through this. Now I'm going to show you the landing page, features on it. All right, let's get that landing page store. There it is. All right, so I'll show you the mobile responsiveness here. And we can go through, you can see how it fades. Okay, it's not, that's because it goes to another page for that one. I'm not going to be able to show you that process through the developer tools. So let me just do it in the desktop format. I'll get this so you can see it. Button here will automatically stop the video. You can go to this. This is a disclaimer page that we had because we were getting a lot of unqualified leads. And then you can also click this. It opens up the homepage in a separate tab. Same thing as the quiz. So I already showed you most of that. And then the form, I'll show you the mobile responsiveness for that. And iPad mini. And then I didn't show you the confirmation page. So I'm not going to click that because I don't want to mess up their data. So I'm just going to show you the confirmation page by going straight to the URL, which is right there. Here's mobile responsiveness. And this section here, I coded to integrate it with a Klaviyo form for first-time customers. So when they enter their email, it goes to the Klaviyo email flow, and they automatically get their discount by email. These CTAs is how I designed it. So it has the dual CTAs of the product finder, Find My Media, as well as the free sample CTA, which is another product finder, but it leads to the form similar to that landing page that I showed you. Okay. Now I just want to show you the page loading fade in. So you can see how the homepage slideshow banner fades in like that. And that's through the theme, but I wanted to match that. So I did something very similar for each of these quizzes. All right. And lastly, the header here. Actually, I did cover the header, so we're good. And that wraps it up. So if you would like any of these features implemented into your website, go ahead and contact me and we can set up a free consultation to go over the needs of your job. And if I feel like I'm a good fit for you, I will type up an estimate, which will include all the tasks entailed in the job with a range of hours that it might take. And it will also include a project completion date. All right. Well, I would love to help you scale your business, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.